Good morning, all. This is Fadi Hemzi. It's about 8:32 a.m. On Tuesday, 22nd of September, 2020. We're in the middle of the holiday period for our friends of Jewish faith, and showing their power. You can see the volume is not there. If they're taking time off from the holiday and spending, from market and spending it with their family. Most adorable thing to do. Actually, when I was in LA, I lived in what's called a little Haifa. You could see the change here. Yeah. So this period. So it's impacting our market too. I did look at it. As you know, I'm working on the Z20, some weight distributions and size distribution, and I've had some struggles because we only have 1 week of data, but now we have very slow week of data added. So we'll probably go at it again this weekend. That also reflected on overnight review of the trades I had done yesterday. I think I overtraded in one account. You saw a lot of wild movements as shown by ATR. I think at one point I could see 50 ATR. I haven't seen 50 ATR in a while intraday. So what you want to do is keep your commitment to your account, to your risk capital. Make sure you have a reason to trade. Either sit on your hands or go away because you're only tempted. Volume is very thin, so dangerous. Yeah. Let's move on to econ calendar. Today is Tuesday, 22nd. Again, Charlie Evans is speaking, but also Jerome Powell, our Fed chair, our esteemed Fed chair, will be talking today, tomorrow, and Thursday. All right. Existing home sales, they had come out. They should by now. Yeah, right now we should have got the number right now. That's a key report. Let's see what it did. Oh, what's the data? 8:34. No. Oh, it's at 10 a.m. Sorry. Okay, you see the value, but it's coming at this. You just get it. Yeah. Here's your range. Yeah, slightly better than last. And there's your range. So keep that in mind for 10 o'clock. That was now. I'm sorry. Bad read on my part. 10 a.m. Okay. And then you also have the Richmond Fed. Not as important. Chairman Powell speaks at 10:30. So keep that in mind. Make a little note for yourself. Then rest we discovered yesterday. We discussed yesterday. Nothing there. I think tomorrow's going to be lighter than PMI. Thursday, jobless claims, home sales, and then I don't care about gas. And of course, big number is going to be Friday, fourth week. A lot of large econ data, which is one of those durable goods. The following week we'll see GDP and so forth. So that's our econ calendar. Moving to time digest. I'm also going to, by the way, this diet and detoxing that's going on. Yes, it is too much. So bear with me. Let's see what we did. Yesterday, it was a nice reversal. Remember Sunday night here, I think Craig was here, maybe Manish was here, I forgot. There were 2 or 3 people, maybe. I'm not sure about Simon. Oh, Paul Chant from Australia was there. I said that we should be looking for a low of the market, and I was wrong, in the first hour on Monday. In the video yesterday, we also reiterated that, saying we're staying long with our PMT call and subject to seeing this low. I think we saw that. Because look where we saw it. Where we're on the sigma count. That's a negative 2.5. For an index, that's pretty good. It'll get to 3, but we're not in depth of problems. Market isn't. I'm saying market isn't, not us. We have a lot of problems. Market isn't. Yeah. Market is always celebratory. But if you look at that's all-time high, we're not that far off. So 2.5 is quite a bit of going. When you get to see negative 3 sigma, that's when you've got like 2, 3, 4 weeks of selling. We're not there yet. So maybe 10 days so far. So We saw that at about 10:45. That was a low because this is the IBRs, right? So this was 10:45 yesterday. Now, ES didn't do that. ES was a little bit more sideways. And again, yes, if you look at absolute value, that's also did it. Well, sorry, absolute value is right there at 10:50. You see that, okay? Oh, sorry. Hold on. Murray, hold on. That's 5 minutes. This is 10. So let me go to 5. Let's get same resolution. Hold on. Okay. Oh, Jesus. Come on. There we go. All right, now, if I go back here, yeah, it's also put the absolute low of the trading hours, RTH, at 32.17 there, right, at 10:45. But notice how many times it came so close to it. It wasn't a clear low until about here for ES. All right, so I'm trying to quantify how good that comment was. On NQ we're spot on, but you know this is back and forth. Now, a little noise is always there. We cannot pinpoint. Well, our objective is not pick up the tops and bottom. Our objective is to find a tradable low, tradable high, and give you the right direction. His direction. And so we're holding to that process. Let's see. D-trend there, please. Okay. This was disheartening. The transportation. It just fall apart all of a sudden. So we gotta watch this thing. This to me is a little bit of a warning sign. We gotta watch. So could this be a trap? It's possible. Bull trap, yes, it's possible. Yeah. Should we be short? Probably. Here's the problem. The seasonality that we're in, volume is very low, they can move it a lot, and you sell Rosh Hashanah, you buy Yom Kippur. So as we move into the week, the buy is supposed to get net longer. That's how it works out over the years. But we started early. If you go back, you'll see we started this early. We went to, thanks to Fed Chair, you know, I think that was that. Is this the, let's see, this is Monday. Yeah, that's Wednesday. See that peak? He messed up right there. In that, about, 2:45 Eastern, and that presser, he just started messing up, and that's all she wrote. So hopefully that pressure is off now. We'll see. We don't know. Only time will tell. SP1 normal, decidedly, because this is involved a lot of advanced decline data, the pressure was heavy, and so we pushed down both SP1 and normal. They don't move together per se, but they're influenced by same number in a different time scale. This is a faster mover. This is a slower mover, so that you can set up as a bullish bearish divergence. That's crucial. Bullish bearish divergence. We don't see a divergence yet. They're moving together. If you look at the lows, matches all those lows. There's no divergence yet. But look where we are, -2 sigma. We're getting set up there. Could they retest the lows again today? By all means. Yeah, absolutely. To press one more time to do a retest failure and confirm that this is up for weak longs. Yeah, to flush out the weak longs. All right. Moving forward, what was SQ? SQ, I don't think it has given a number. Maybe it did. A little bit too sharp. We had the almost same number here yesterday, 132. Remember, sometimes they solve better. So data gets partially revised. This is not a trade information. This is after the close. It's a calculation done based on the amount of pressure. It's on the downside of SPX option, put options. So it's easing off a little bit, yeah. All right, let's go. TD. We closed at 23 during the day. I gave you a couple of updates, as you know. At one point, we were about 19. Remember, I don't think we saw 18. But the line in the sand is 25. So 23, again, is oversold. This is dragging its feet, the stock RSI. And I think we probably have a soft move here a day or two. It could be very no range today or tomorrow after the move yesterday. So I will be very, very careful. Try to figure out why you're trading. If you don't have an answer, Go shopping, go golf, do something, just don't hang on the machine. Nobody else does, so. We wanna work with two-way markets. When we don't see that, that should be a warning. Alright, let's go to, this size is very good, but wow. Hold on one sec. Okay, let's go back. Let's go here. Okay, let's look at what we did here. Ah, look at us. So, how much? We were, SPX. Let's change what? No. Okay. That was a close of 33.19. Yeah. This was 81.19. So we were down 30 points. Yeah, that's 19. That's 19. So 38 points. Yeah, 30. Okay. I'm trying to figure out how much we dropped. Okay. 38 points we lost yesterday. S&P is about 400 points. So Dow. Excuse me. Guys, I gotta stop smoking. No more Cubans. But the withdrawals are getting even worse. I know. 55.71 here. There was a percentage of number of stocks above their 200-day moving average. Watch out this 50 line. This is not good at all. Are we seeing a slow move down? Interesting. Look at what NDX did yesterday. Go back. Okay, let's go back to the timer chart. Look at this. It's actually had a good day there. It was horrible in the morning. I remember that. Trust me. But the movement back. Look at this. Yeah. Once it starts moving, look. It made a base here. We tested that. Stayed up there. Then use MBS day session MBS. And look what a takeoff it was. When we saw 11,000 by 5 o'clock in the abbreviated session after the regular session, that's 4:32.5. I saw 11,000. So, all right, very strong showing on the text. Some of our scans are also showing some of the names are moving. One of the guys who uses that shared that with me. I appreciate that. So, having said that, let's go to overnight. Okay. What's my overnight? Murray, where's my overnight? Well, this is NQ plus. What happened to I thought I had overnight here. 1 second. Where's MP1? I thought, did I call it something else after that? There we go. Well, here's our overnight. Quick review. Oh, that's not my MP. Did I? Oh, I made modifications. Okay, hold on. Okay, we'll do that tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll replace this. I see what I've done. I created this chart for you guys, so you can see during the day, using this as a derivative of this chart, and then I renamed it because we added a third column, panel also. So I have to rebuild everyone for tomorrow. Basically, it's the same as this. Okay. I need to get rid of it, but basically, but there's a yes in there. Okay, so I can go. Yeah. So right here, I can do like this. BS Z20. 5 minutes. Let's see, and then take this out. Put Sigma channels on it. That's a 5-year. So add, and it's what we're gonna get 12. The objective of that is just simply give you a view on what happened since last time we were here together, which is overnight here. And well, there we go. Here's overnight. You can see volume very small, and this is 9 p.m. last night, for example. So we'll go to 15 or 30. There we go. There's your 15. That should give us a better picture there. Make that also 30. Now we have the other chart. Okay, now you can see very, very even volume, a little bit more in the morning time, but look at, we're basically around the center line. The center line is very flat. After this move, because the adjustment we did near the close, very, very flat. Okay, I mean the center line. Remember, there's a lag there. I understand that. NQ, pretty much the same. So we'll see where we go. Not a lot of volatility. I bet you are let's see, where's our, let's see, it's 18. Keep an eye on this, it's 18. Average true range is 18. All right. These are real time. Yeah, this is the day session. Remember that. Now, here's the fractals. So far, we're holding to MBS. That was a really good retest failure. What time was this? 7:57 this morning. So this is how we have traveled this morning. So maybe a little bit of volatility, get more coming in compared to last night. So just be careful. Please be careful. Any questions for me? What I'm going to do myself is I'm going to make sure I trade late in the day. I will also trade with absolute logic or reason, not FOMO. Sometimes you get involved with that FOMO, and if the volume is low, you're really going to pay for it, so be careful. Yeah, the fear of missing out, you jump in and you're chasing. Never chase the runaway train. Try to have the reason to do it based on indicators. All right? Let me post this. Be back to you.